Hello guys. In today's tutorial we are going to create this super cool website scrolling animation in Figma. Make sure you don't miss any step. Let's get started. Let's create frame. Drag and drop images and logo.
Scale and align product.
Resize logo and align it. Hide this layer for while. Scale this product image. Create rectangle using rectangle tool or press R. Scale this product image. Adjust this rectangle. Add text layer using text tool and create text pattern for this rectangle. Add stroke to this text layer and set it to outside. Turn off fill and set stroke opacity to 5%. Group this layers. Turn on this layer and align it. Let's add text for web card. Align this text layer. Duplicate this text layer using Ctrl D. Add some text info. Align this text layer. Frame this text layers. Let's create call to action button. CTA act as signposts telling users what they need to do next. Without clear CTA, users may struggle to see the route to buying a product or signing up for a service. Make rounded corner for this CTA. This frame is going to be our second scroll page of the website. Duplicate this frame. Rename this frames. Go to frame 1. Make sharp corner for CTA. Move this web card to the left side. Make sure you set this web card in between frame. Move this layer. Scale this rectangle. Scale and align this product image. Make duplicate of frame 2. Group this layers. Duplicate this. Move this group to the right side. Make sure you set this web card in between frame. Move this both group to the left side and change heading of group 2. Adjust this product image. Make duplicate of frame 3. Duplicate this. Move this group to the right side. Move this all groups to the left side and change heading of group 3. Adjust this product image. Duplicate this frame. Adjust this product image. Duplicate this. Move this group to the right side. Move this all groups to the left side and change heading. Duplicate this frame. Resize this slide group. Move this webcard to the left. Adjust this product image. Let's add some text. We have total 6 pages for scrolling animation. Switch to prototype. And follow interaction details. Let's connect frames for scroll up. Now hit play icon. Drag mouse to scroll down and left click to scroll up.